Hello friends, welcome to my Education World channel. In this video, I am going to teach you 6th standard CBSE board English first lesson from the book Honeysuckle. Before starting, I request you to watch my full video. So let's start.
Who did Patrick's homework? Patrick never did homework. Too boring, he said. He played hockey and basketball and Nintendo instead. His teacher told him, Patrick, do your homework or you would not learn a thing. And it's true. Something he did feel like an enormous. But what would he do? He hated homework. So Patrick never did homework. One boy was there whose name was Patrick, and he never did his homework. He says that it is too boring, and he played hockey or basketball or Nintendo. So in your mind one question will be there, that what is Nintendo. So in the right hand side you can see there it has written Nintendo, a video game. Okay, so his teacher told him his teacher told him many times that Patrick, do your homework, otherwise you would not learn a thing. And it was right. Something did he feel like that. And enormous means when teacher is saying that, he feel like that ki yes, I want to do homework, otherwise I would not. But after some time he again started to play. He enormous that. So we will now see second paragraph. Then one day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it was not a doll. One day he see that his cat is playing with a little doll and toys which we have in our home. We almost know that which toy we have and which not. So if other some different toy came in our home, so we like to see that what it is, who it is, whose it is. So for seeing that, he grabbed that toy from the cat, and when he saw that toy he was too surprised. Then it was not a doll. So we will go on second page and we will see that what was it really at all. It was not a doll at all, means that was not a doll. So let's see what was it. But a man with the tiniest size. That was a man with the tiniest size. He was very small in the size. He had a little wool shirt. So he had wear little wool shirt. He was so small. So his clothes also so small in size. And that was a wool shirt with old fashioned breeches. Means we can see there that breeches are there on his shirt. That was a very old fashioned breeches, and the high tall hat, much like a witch's. He yelled, save me, don't give me back to the cat. And he was wearing tall hat on his head, and he said to the Patrick that please save me, don't give back me to the cat, I grant you a wish. And that tiny man said that please save me, whatever you have wish I will do that, I promise you that. That man promised Patrick that whatever wish of you is there, I will do all your wishes. So let's see third paragraph. Patrick would not believe how lucky he was. Here was the answers to of his problem. So Patrick was too lucky. Already he did not do his homework. He think that it is too boring. So he thought that he is very lucky. There are answers of his problem. Here, so he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester. That's 35 days. So a man that already was given promise to him that whatever your wish will there, I will complete that. So Patrick say that only if you do my all the homework for semester, that is 35 days, if you do a good enough job, I would even get A's. If you do my all homework till the semester, that was 35 days, not only I will not give it back to the cat. And if you do that work nicely and enough job, and I not get any in any semester A's, so I would get that also. That was a wish of the Patrick. So fourth paragraph you will see. The little man faced Winkle like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He nicked his leg and doubled his feet. So here we can see the meanings are given of dishcloth, a cloth used for washing dishes; hamper, a basket with a lid; and many other which we have that also meaning has given. So the little man faced Winkle. So fifth paragraph, and true to his word. Now we have seen in last page that the man said him that whatever your wish is there, I will complete that. So the little elf, that was a man, word is there for him, that is a elf, began to do Patrick's homework, except there was one each. So he was promised Patrick that I will do homework for your semester for 35 days. So he started doing Patrick's homework. The elf did not always know what to do and he needed help. Help, help, help me, he did say, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. But elf did not know what to do and need help of the Patrick and say to Patrick that help me, and Patrick in whatever way he need to do. I don't know this word, the elf speak while reading Patrick homework. That elf said that Patrick, I did not know that what is this word, please tell me. Get me a dictionary.
No.
What even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So he said Patrick that bring dictionary to me, and what is this word? Sound it and tell me each letter. When it come to the maths, Patrick was out of luck. So when math subject came to do that homework, Patrick's homework, Patrick was out of the luck. What are timetables? The elf shocked. That elf said to Patrick that what are timetables? In shocked. We elves never need that. And he said to Patrick that we elves never did need that timetable. So now we will go on the next page and we will see 7th paragraph. Here by mistakenly in book 10th has written, so that is 7th paragraph. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. And what is addition, subtraction, division, fraction? Come and sit beside me and you guide me. You help me that evils know nothing about human history. To them, it's a mystery. That elf was there. He not know about anything about human history. For them, it was a mystery. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder, louder. Go to a Go to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. And because he was not knowing anything about history and what is maths, what is addition and subtraction, so he shouted to the Patrick and said, "Go to the library, bring the books, many books, and you help me to read them too." So now we will see 8th paragraph. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was an act. Patrick was working harder than ever, and was it a drap? So Patrick was first thinking that elf will do my all homework and I will be free and I will get A's in the semester, but that was not really. Elf was not knowing anything about the humans' history, not maths. And every day that elf nags. Every day in whatever way, Patrick need to do the help to the elf. He was studying up nights and never felt so well. Was going to school with his eyes pulled and beard. So he was working very hard before it. So he was going when to the school that he was feeling very sleepy. Finally, the last day of school arrived, and the elf was free to go. That Patrick was said that ki do all the homework till the semester, means for the 35 days. So 35th they come, and now elf was free to go. As for homework, there was no more, and there was a no more homework for the elf now. So he quick out the back door and he went out from the back door. Patrick got A's. His classmates were amazed. His teacher was smiling and were full of praise. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. He was now a model kid, cleaned his room, did his chores with cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. So, after doing many hard work, that he was said to Elf that you will do my homework, but Elf was not knowing anything about the human history or maths. So he needed help of the Patrick. So Patrick helped him and do hard work day and night. And when last day came and he got A's, his teacher was smiling and full of praise, and his parents were very happy, and they said that what has happened to Patrick, and now he was a model kid. He is cleaning his room and cheerful, a whole new attitude and chores. So here side inside we can see the meanings are there of chores and many others. So last paragraph we will see. You see, in the end Patrick still thought that tiny man do all his homework. But I shall share a secret just between you and me. So in last paragraph they have written that Patrick now also thinking that Elf do all my homework, because of him I got A's. But there is one secret which writer wants to share with us. So what that is secret, just see. It Mortnaz the elf. Patrick had done it himself. That whatever homework is done, whatever homework that elf is done, that Patrick is thinking like that elf is done all my homework. But that was not like. Patrick only has did his homework. That was he get A's. So friends, here our lesson is finished. I think fully I have explained you nicely. But then also if you have some doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. I surely reply to your doubts. And in the next video I am going to teach you next lesson, a house, a home. So thank you very much friends for watching my full video, and this is my first video only. So if you have understood this lesson nicely, so please give one like to my video and subscribe to my channel also to give me the support. And if you want like this more videos of other subjects also, that Hindi, Marathi and many subjects which we have, so please subscribe to my channel, that you will get the next video which I am going to make. So thank you very much guys for watching my full video, and bye. See you in the next video.